Hello kids, welcome to another video. So for today we will be having science week 15 about sound move. So this is the second part for this lesson, okay? What are the things that you need? So you need your science learner's book, your pencil and eraser, notebook, paper, and also crayons for our activity, okay? Objectives are the following. So at the end of this lesson, you should be able to understand how sound moved and identify factors affecting the movement of sounds. So for our references, we have Science Learner's Book, pages 56 to 57. Okay, kids, so we have discussed already the loud sound and the soft sound. Okay, also about sound source. Okay, now this time let's discuss how does sound move. Okay, so I want you to open your learner's book to page 57. So have you seen this picture? Okay, how far do sounds go? So if you're going to look at the picture, kids, who can hear the sound loudly? Okay, so the boy who is in the first in line can hear the sound loudly. Who can hear the sound quietly? Okay, so it is the last boy in the line. So try this with quiet and loud sounds, okay, which can go further. So if you're going to observe kids in the picture, okay, so distance affect the sound. Okay, if the receiver or the listener is near, the sound is louder. But if the listener or the receiver of the sound is far, okay, so the sound is quieter, okay, or less sound. So if you're going to observe this picture, there are three kids lined up, okay, and the other girl play the triangle, okay? So if the girl sound the triangle, so the first boy in line can hear the sound loudly, while the last boy or the boy in the last in line can hear the sound quietly because the distance affect the volume of the sound, if it's loud or quiet, okay? Let's continue. Now, kids, look at this picture. Okay, the mom is talking to his son. Okay, what is their distance? Is it far or near? Okay, it is near. So the sound is louder because the listener is near to the sound source. So this time, the boy or the son is the listener. And the sound source is the mom because the mom talk. Okay, so since the distance is near, the sound is louder, okay, or the listener can hear the sound loudly. How about this picture, kids? So imagine that it is inside the classroom. So the teacher is talking, okay? So observe that the students in front, okay, can hear the sound loudly or the sound is louder because they are near to the sound source. This time, the sound source or the source of the sound is who? Correct, it is the teacher. While on the other hand, the kids or the students at the back, okay, seems to hear the sound quietly or quieter because they are far from the source or from the teacher. So what kids, the teacher should make the voice loud in order for the students to hear. Okay? So observe, students that are near, the sound is loudly. Students who are far, the sound is quietly. Okay? Now, aside from the distance, okay, use of device. So this time we can make our voice louder, okay, by using a device. Okay, so we can use a megaphone to make our voices sound louder and go farther. Okay, so on the same page, kids, so learner's book, page 57, you will find this page. So the man is using a megaphone to make his voice louder, okay? Now, aside from this picture, I will show you more pictures of some devices that can make our voice louder. Okay, so we have the following. Will you help me name the following devices? What do you call this one? Okay, it's called as megaphone. Everybody say megaphone. Okay, how about this one? Okay, I know some of you are using this while watching my video. So it's called as, okay, headphones or earphones. Okay, very good. How about this one? Okay, who among you loves to sing? Okay, so this is microphones. Okay, so when we are singing and we want to make our voices louder, so we make use of microphones. And speakers. Okay, so if we have parties, okay, or programs, so that the voice or the sounds will become very, very loud and it can be heard by many people. So we are using speakers. So kids, if we use the following devices, we make the sound louder. Okay, very good. Okay, now for our activity. Okay, let me see if you understand the two factors, the distance and the use of device. So, draw two pictures showing factors that affect the sound. Okay, write a sentence about the picture. So, I have here a sample, kids. So, you can use your notebook or your paper to make some pictures, okay? So, in picture 1, okay, I make use of students that are lined up and the teacher is talking. So my sentence is, the first student hears the sound louder than the last student because of the distance. And remember, kids, if you're near to the source of sound, the sound is louder. If you are far, the sound is less or quieter. Okay? Now, picture 2, use of device. So this time, I make use of a girl who's listening to music using headphones, okay? The sound is louder because she uses headphones. Now, kids, can you think of other pictures that will affect or that will show the factors that affect the sounds? Okay, so enjoy this activity, and once you finish it, you have to send me a picture so that I can give you plus points in Class Dojo, okay? And that's the end of our video. Hope that you learned the two factors, okay, the distance and the use of device in affecting the sounds, okay, or source of sounds. So again, kids, hope that you enjoyed this video and that you learned something about our topic. So once again, always stay at home and always be safe, okay? See you in our next video. Bye, kids!